Palantir gets closer to winning the $579 million NHS contract. Sofi Technologies earnings report Q3. Today, we delve into the realms of Palantir Technologies and PLTR stock, as well as Sofi Technologies and Sofi stock. In this video, we will meticulously dissect 4 enlightening articles. The first article is titled, Palantir Closes In on Controversial UK Health Data Contract. For those acquainted with my previous analyses, I foresaw Palantir Technologies clinching this monumental £480 million contract, which translates to $579 million. Depending on the fluctuating exchange rate between the British pound and the US dollar, the contract's value could range from $570 million to $590 million. This development is poised to be a momentous catalyst, potentially propelling Palantir's share price to around $20 per share. This is an exciting prospect, especially when considering its current trading value of approximately $15.35. Moving on, the subsequent article delves into how renowned investor figure Jim Kramer recently gave his endorsement for Palantir Technologies. Notably, this is not the sole stock he has recently thrown his support behind. In a prior video, we also explored Jim Kramer's newfound backing for Sofi Technologies and its stock. It's crucial to scrutinize Jim Kramer's comments on both Palantir PLTR and Sofi stocks to ascertain their potential as viable picks. Admittedly, my usual stance does not align with Jim Kramer's, yet given our extensive coverage of these companies over the years, it's only fitting that we examine his perspectives. Lastly, we'll delve into Sofi's impending earnings report slated for release on Monday, October 30th. If you have a penchant for Palantir Technologies or Sofi Technologies, do not hesitate to express your support by smashing that like button. Your immediate click aids us tremendously. If you're already invested in Palantir or Sofi, sharing this video could potentially be instrumental in encouraging others to explore these investment opportunities. As always, share your insights and price projections in the comments section. Speculate on whether Palantir will secure the contract and opine on how high you envisage Palantir and Sofi's share prices climbing over the next year. For those feeling particularly generous, consider supporting me personally by becoming a channel member for as little as 99 cents. Your support is what keeps me actively engaged in delivering valuable content on YouTube. Without further ado, let's delve into today's narratives, commencing with Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies stands tall as a stalwart in big data and analytics, catering to both commercial enterprises and government agencies. The company specializes in artificial intelligence and machine learning, making it the prime contender for a monumental contract with the United Kingdom's National Health Service, NHS. This proposed 5-year contract, extendable by an additional 2 years, currently boasts a valuation of £480, equivalent to $579 million. The contract's primary objective is to engage a specialized software company in revolutionizing the NHS's data analysis, pattern detection, and overall system enhancement. Personally, I hold the conviction that no other commercial entity is better poised for this endeavor than Palantir Technologies. Consequently, my prediction is that Palantir will secure either half or the entire contract. It is important to note that while this is not an absolute assurance, Palantir emerges as the most formidable contender. Notably, the government had been on course to announce Palantir as the victor of this contract as early as this month. However, various watchdog groups and political factions have raised objections, citing concerns over Palantir's access to sensitive data. Palantir is sometimes viewed as an enigma, with limited transparency regarding its operations and data usage. This has sparked widespread apprehension and opposition to granting Palantir access to such crucial information. The situation is riddled with unpredictability and controversy. Nonetheless, my underlying thesis remains steadfast. Palantir is primed to secure a substantial portion, if not the entirety, of the contract. This view is reinforced by the prior history of collaboration between Palantir and the National Health Service. The NHS, funded by taxpayers, provides healthcare for a staggering 67 million individuals across the United Kingdom. The gravity of the data in question cannot be overstated. Palantir potentially gaining access to this extensive and intimate data set is a development of immense consequence. Should Palantir prevail, it promises to streamline staffing operations, addressing shortages and backlogs that have impeded critical procedures. This translates to enhanced efficiency and effectiveness in serving these 67 million individuals. The article notes that while the UK contract is undeniably lucrative for Palantir Technologies, its financial impact may not be immediately apparent in any singular earnings report. This is due to the extended duration of the contract, spanning 5 years with the possibility of a 2-year extension. Consequently, we should anticipate an incremental increase of approximately $100 million annually in Palantir's earnings reports should they secure the contract. While an instantaneous leap of $579 million may not materialize in a single report, the cumulative effect promises to be substantial. It is conceivable that Palantir's share price could experience a temporary surge, potentially nearing $20 per share. Investors may wish to consider capitalizing on this surge and strategically reallocating profits. Subsequently, the share price is expected to stabilize, providing a favorable re-entry point for investors. Jim Kramer, a prominent investor celebrity, has voiced his optimism regarding Palantir's PLTR shares. He attests to their exceptional performance in the preceding quarter, affirming that they have lived up to the hype. Although I exercise caution in accordance with my reservations about Jim Kramer's stock picks, I do find merit in his comments regarding Palantir Technologies. The substantial attention Palantir is receiving from investor luminaries such as Jim Kramer and Cathie Wood, along with endorsements from reputable analysts like Daniel I.S. of Wedbush, bodes well for the company. Daniel I.S., for instance, projects that Palantir's stock could surge to $25 over the next year, building upon its already impressive 148% increase in 2023. In tandem with this, Sofi Technologies is experiencing a surge in interest. In the second quarter of 2023, Sofi's net lending segment saw revenues surge by an impressive 29% year over year. This is a commendable feat, further bolstered by the influx of individuals turning to Sofi for refinancing their federal student loans in light of soaring interest rates. While the current environment is unfavorable for borrowers, it presents a favorable tailwind for Sofi Technologies. Borrowers who choose to refinance through Sofi have the option to either reduce their interest rates or extend the repayment period, or even both. Notably, Sofi Technologies played a pivotal role in underwriting the initial public offering of Carta, ticker symbol CT, a high-profile U.S. listing lauded for its prestige and significance. Moreover, Sofi Technologies is on the cusp of achieving profitability by year-end, representing a significant milestone. What truly sets Sofi apart in my view is its status as a secure and stable entity. In the face of regional banking crises, this fledgling financial institution demonstrated remarkable resilience, standing strong while major banks faltered. This attests to Sofi's unwavering strength, sound fundamentals, and ability to navigate complex financial landscapes. To cap it all off, let's discuss Sofi's upcoming earnings report. Sofi Technologies, ticker symbol Sofi, has announced plans to conduct a conference call to address its financial and operational performance for the third quarter of 2023. This event is scheduled for Monday, October 30th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. For those with the availability, Sofi will also be live streaming the call at 7 a.m. It's worth noting that if you're unable to tune in during the live broadcast, rest assured that I'll provide a comprehensive analysis after the earnings report is released, anticipated later on Monday evening. For those eager to glean insights into Sofi's projected performance for the quarter and why I believe they could potentially surpass these projections, stay tuned for my next video. Your comments, subscriptions, and continued engagement are greatly appreciated. Together, let's navigate the dynamic landscapes of Palantir Technologies and Sofi Technologies.